Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be adding a search box in WordPress. And you guys can check out InstaWP.io to launch your own disposable WordPress environment. So this service has amazing features. They have both a free and pro version, which is very affordable. So check out the website. Okay, so from your WordPress dashboard, go over to Appearance, hover, then click Theme Editor. This notice basically lets you know that if you make edits, you could break your website. If you accept, click I understand. On the right, find header.php, open it. Okay, so here we have the head. So between this opening and closing head tag, we just want to insert some code. And I'm going to show you guys an article, which will be in the description. The link to this article will be in the description. So you can scroll down and find the code that you need to paste. It's right here. I'm going to copy this and go back to Google Chrome. And I'm going to paste this right here before the closing head tag. Then click Update File. Now, if we visit our site, let's open this in a new tab. Let's take a look at our header. So here we have this search box. Okay. So now I'm going to show you guys how to remove this. Simply delete the code, then click Update File. Now, if we go back to the website and reload the page, we should see that the search box disappears. So now I'm going to show you guys one more method that you can use to add a search box. So we'll be using a plugin to add a search box. Hover over Plugins on the left, then click Add New. In the search box, type Google Search. Once the results are displayed, look for WP Google Search. It's right here. Click Install Now. Click Activate. Okay, now on the left, hover over Settings and click WP Google Search. Here, we want to find a Google Search Engine ID. So click this link here and click Get Started. Now we just want to type the website name, so go back to the website. Let's highlight our website name from the extension all the way to the top and paste it here. If you're not a robot, click this checkbox, then click Create. Next, you want to click Control Panel. Okay, so here we have the search engine ID. We just want to copy this to our clipboard. And then go back to the site and paste it here in this box. Okay, so we have some options here that we can configure as well. You can choose any of these if it suits your needs. I'm going to check this first one. Scroll down once you're done and click Save Changes. All right, so once you've done this, now you need to go over to Appearance, hover over Appearance, then click Widgets. Click Next, Next again. Okay, so this theme has one location in which widgets can be displayed, and that's the footer. To add the widget, click the plus button, type Google, drag the search widget onto the canvas. Okay. Once you've confirmed that everything looks all right, you can choose to hide the title if you want, but we are going to skip this. Click Update. Let's reload. Let's close this page and then open our website in the new tab. If we scroll down, we should see this Google search widget. Let us go back and remove it. Simply click this three dots, then click Remove Block. Update. If we go back, reload, it's gone. All right, so if this was helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.